17 years ago when I came in, our average lead time for an action was 12 to 16 months. Whereas over the last 2 years, our average lead time is about 8 weeks for back-ordered product. So we've drastically increased efficiency around here. My name's Kelbly. I'm a third-generation rifle builder here in Ohio, and today we're looking at Kelbly's Incorporated, where we've been building rifles for 44 years now. Kelbly's Incorporated was started by my grandfather in 1981. We have a very tight family culture, and all of our hearts are in this. Our customers range from small-time gun builders to large OEM manufacturers, all the way to government contracts. And managing all three is stressful at times. You have deadlines that really play into the decisions that you make, and a huge aspect of that is our efficiency in the shop. The threads inside of our receivers are one of the most crucial parts. So to maintain the repeatability, we have to have threads that are the same from part to part to part. What started our journey with Tungaloy was one of our tooling reps gave us a pack of threading inserts, and it was the longest lasting pack of threading inserts we've ever received. That led us to projects like our deep tri-drill that we use. We went from a 23-minute time to drill that hole to sub 9 minutes on that part now. Tungaloy has been awesome with having their reps in here and working with us on speeds and feeds and custom applications. The Tungaloy Do Feed 03 has drastically saved us time on roughing applications. Our traditional high feed mill that we were using was taking us about 30 minutes to rough that part out. We are now down to about 22 to 20 minutes. What we're looking for in a cutting tool supplier is exactly what we're receiving from Tungaloy. And what's really cool is to be able to watch the raw bar stock come in and see the material reduction down to a high-end product one of our customers is going to be able to pass down from generation to generation.